So what is 30A? .30A is a 24-mile corridor in the south portion of Walton County. It is nestled between Panama City Beach and Destin. 30A is composed of 11 beach communities, each that have their own personality and vibe. Rosemary to the east, all the way to Dune Island on the west end. Some of my favorite things about 30A include the plethora of local eateries and shops. This is not the place you're going to find a chain restaurant. On top of that, you have the Gulf of Mexico to the south, and you're encompassed by State Park, National Forest, and the coastal dune lakes. I traveled the world as a flight attendant prior to real estate, and nothing truly compares to the emerald green water and the unique beach towns here along 30A. Come visit, come stay a while. I promise you won't find anything like it.